Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about we compute the percentage of, let's say, mortgage as a percentage of all expenses? Here we have a list of bills or expenses. Classify it any way you want. But the point is, we want to know whatever this cost is as a percentage of your total cost. Very simple. 608 divided by 2979. C5 divided by C14. Do I need to go any further than that? I just explained it right here. To perform this, you just go, C divided by 14. If you want to copy this down, what do you have to do? You don't want 2979 changing. You want C5 to C14 to change, but you don't want this total to change. I'm going to let you think about that. In terms of percentages, when this is computed, Excel may just give you a number. How are you going to switch that over into percent? Well, go up here. See where it says percent? See where it says percentage? Hit percentage. You can always hit formatting, but the path of least resistance. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.